Rejection often appears through subtle behavioral patterns rather than explicit verbal communication. Small changes in interaction style often reveal emotional direction gradually. Gradual signals often communicate more than direct statements. One silent sign appears when enthusiasm becomes noticeably reduced during normal conversation. Reduced enthusiasm often signals decreased emotional interest in interaction. Emotional interest often influences communication energy. Another signal appears when proximity becomes less comfortable than before. Physical distance often reflects psychological comfort levels. Reduced comfort often signals reduced emotional connection. Rejection often appears through reduced curiosity about thoughts, experiences, or personal perspectives. Curiosity often reflects emotional openness in interaction. Reduced openness often signals declining relational interest. Another subtle pattern appears when responses become shorter without clear contextual reason. Short responses often reduce conversational flow and engagement. Reduced engagement often signals declining involvement. Silent rejection often includes avoidance of situations that previously felt natural. Avoidance often signals psychological discomfort or reduced interest. Reduced interest often influences relational direction. Another change appears when interaction becomes less spontaneous and more structured. Spontaneity often reflects emotional comfort and engagement. Reduced spontaneity often signals reduced connection. Rejection often appears gradually through repeated micro-patterns rather than one obvious moment. Repeated patterns often communicate consistent emotional direction. Consistency often clarifies relational dynamics. Subtle rejection often feels confusing because behavior appears polite but emotionally distant. Politeness often hides reduced emotional involvement. Reduced involvement often influences attraction. Attraction often remains stronger when interaction feels open, comfortable, and mutually engaging. Mutual engagement often sustains emotional connection over time. Connection often sustains attraction.